National Weather Service is warning of more dangerous heat today as temperatures in Texas break records. The saying goes, it's not the heat, it's the humidity, but locals admit this feels different.
It's super hot. Yeah, it's a little early for it. You know, we usually get these temperatures in June, July, and August, not in May, beginning of May even.
CBS News correspondent Omar Villafranca is in the right place in San Antonio this morning, where temperatures are expected to soar into the triple digits today. And Omar, this really isn't expected to let up anytime soon. I hope you're not going to camp out at that water park. You may need to.
Well, you know, this heat advisory is supposed to go through the weekend, triple digits. And we're here at Morgan's Wonderland, which is a water park here, and their timing couldn't be any better because they happen to be opening up tomorrow. And this is, when people come out, they obviously find ways to stay cool, have plenty of water on hand, hydrate. And that's what officials are kind of telling people to do. Be aware of these temperatures. Now, people in San Antonio and South Texas, and I'm from San Antonio, triple digits, we're absolutely used to them. I have no problem wearing a long sleeve shirt in this type of weather. But when it comes this early in May, in fact, Tuesday, we broke a record in San Antonio, the second highest recorded temperature on a Tuesday. That raises a few eyebrows because this is the kind of weather we expect in June, July, and August. So they're telling people, be aware, take your precautions, and if you can stay inside, stay inside.
Yeah, and Omar, to your point, if it's this hot this early, what does that bode for the grid that will have to power all the AC units and people trying to stay cool all summer?
Yep. Well, and keep in mind, this part of the state is a part that's going to have a higher demand. I've been checking grid conditions and talking with people who monitor the grid. They're not expecting any problems as far as being able to put power on the grid and people draw it off the grid. Keep in mind, Texas has its own grid that's not federally regulated. And what's helping, though, is that it's going to be sunny. There's not going to be any clouds, and it'll be slightly windy. So wind and solar, as it does during these times, provides that buffer, that extra energy. So when people are drawing from it, that there'll be plenty of power on the grid for folks.
All right, a hot summer ahead. Omar Villafranca, thanks very much.